There are key things that you need to look at during onion transplanting. Other than getting the healthy seedling like the ones that I have, other than the nutrition, other than the irrigation, the other key things and very important things that you need to look at. One of them, and the basic of them, and that is what I want to take you through, is the depth at which your onions are supposed to be transplanted. You need to be very keen at that, the depth at which you transplant your onions. So, as you can see, I have several types of seedlings with me here. I have this, which looks like it has a bulb with it. I have this, which is a pencil thick, and I have these. These are I'm going to use these as our case study today. What is the depth when transplanting these seedlings? What is the depth? Because when we say transplant them at a depth of 1 centimeters, this one at 1 centimeters won't apply as compared to others. This one at 1 centimeters may apply. This one at 1 centimeters may not. So what is the depth? At which point are you supposed to bury your seedlings so that you can say at least you've done the correct transplanting, or the transplanting was done very well? So this is how we do it. Because when transplanting, you usually make a hole depending by the system that you're using. Maybe you're using drip irrigation or you're using furrow irrigation, whichever method that you're using. You make a hole the way I'm making mine. You make a hole, you see, you make a hole and transplant the seedling to that depth. Okay, you make a hole and transplant it until it stands. You see, that around 1 centimeters. But for these with a bigger bulb, you make a hole. You see, this is just for demonstration. You make a hole and cover and hide the bulb. You see, the bulb is not visible. These ones, just the root tip is the one that is supposed to be buried. So that's how we do the transplanting. That's how you do the transplanting. That's the simplest way of doing the transplanting. And remember, the transplanting is supposed to be done when the soil condition is wet, or you can do it dry. Then after that, make sure that you irrigate your field to make sure that your seedlings are in a good position, or they are not going to die out of shock or the stress from which they experience in the soil. So hope you're learning something. Hope you've learned about the depth of transplantings. In few ones, I can say 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeters is good, not more than that. Don't bury your seedlings too deep, because the more you bury them, the more the stress when it comes to developing the bulb and growing and enlarging the bulb. Hope you learned something. If it's your first time that you're watching me, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can continue learning together. Bye.